Here we go. The winning number. We just gotta match the winning number. The winning number, ladies and gentlemen, is 10 and 18. Okay, so we have Who Wants to Be Millionaire?
Ginny, I have a strong feeling you're gonna legit win decent money here.
Really?
5 figures at least.
5 figures?
Let's make a deal, shall we? If you win over 100k, you split 10% with chat after taxes in giveaways to whoever is part of the moment. But either way, good luck,
Bro,
bro.
really? Negative $3 if you 5 figures. Let's make a deal, shall we? If you win over 100,000, you split 10% with chat after taxes and giveaways to whoever is a part of the moment. But either way, good luck. Yeah, of course, dude. If I win like more than 100,000, definitely I'll do PlayStation 5 giveaway or whatever. Okay, so winning number is 10 and 18, guys. Okay, I'm gonna play some. We all wanna be millionaire. So what we need is 10 and 18. Shu Yao, number 10 and 18. Here we go. We got number 7. That's not right. Number 11. No. Not yet. 14. No. 5. Nope. 17. Nope. 1. Nope. 6. Nope. 19. Nope. 4. No. 13. 15. No. Unfortunately, the first lottery ticket we did not win. 没有. No. At least win up to 10 times. Unfortunate. And if we had dollar sign, we win the prize, but we don't have any. Minus $2. Currently, we are down $2. Very sad. Okay, we're gonna do 2 more of this. We have 2 more of this. Let's see. Ladies and gentlemen, we have to win. Minus 409. 为什么? Okay. The winning number, the second one, winning number is 20 and 19. We just gotta get 20 and 19. 19. 20. Here we go. We got 13. That is not it. Prage, everyone. Prage. Prage for your PlayStation 5 chat. 2. Not it. 9. Not it. 8. Not it. 17. Not it. 18. Not it. So close, just 1 number off. 11. Not it. 15. Not it. 16. Not it. 14. Not it. Fuck! Minus 4, guys. Minus $4 right now. 三小. We haven't won anything yet. Still 0. We're still on 0. It is not looking good for us at this moment, chat. It is not looking good for us. Oh no. It's okay, guys. Even if we end up wasting money here, let's just think of it as Muka, thank you for 7 months.
If you win more than $100,000, share it with subscribers, lol.
Yeah, of course. Even if we lose money here, let's just think of it as spent money on the content. You know, Degen content. You know, I'm a very frugal person. I save up money in a lot of places. So, you know, sometimes I can, you know, spend a little bit of, not a little bit of, but $500 on Degen content sometimes. This kind of content is very, like, it doesn't happen often, you know. I don't spend money on lotteries. Almost never, you know. So, and then I'm very, very frugal person in a lot of situations. So, you know, sometimes it's okay. No, seriously, it's not us. It's not we, it's you. Good. Yeah, me. We're just gonna have fun, okay? We're gonna have fun. And also, we can win, okay? I have a good feeling we can win. Couldn't win. Couldn't ing. Here we go. But these are tiny stuff, you know? These are tiny. These are only $2. So we will have a better chance later. With the when you're playing big one. Okay, 4 and 12. The winning number is 4 and 12, guys. Oh, guys, we won! 4, 12, 12. Come on, make us money. Come on, $10,000. $1. We want $1 out of 2. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we made $1 profit so far. Maybe we could get $sign. Maybe we could get +1. Maybe we could get $sign. Oh, guys, another 12. 再一次, another 12, guys. No way! We got 2. We got $3 +3, guys, +3. Let's fucking go. Oh, hell yeah. Guys, we have 4. 4. 4. Oh my god, that's our lucky day, guys. Let's go. Another $1, guys. So total 1, 2, 1, total 4. Oh, hell yeah. Another 4! 너무크는! Guys! Another $1! Yo! We got $5 now! Chi. 14? 19. Oh. Guys, we got $5. $5. So, previous one, 2 of them we lost, but this one we won. $5. So actually so far we are only -$1. Well, not yet profit, but still. couldn't. Okay, guys, here we go. The winning one, I'll put it in my bag. Safe and sound. I'm telling you, American lottery is, I think, like, it has like most variety. It has a lot of different colorful, like, you know, colors, and then it has a lot of different kinds of lottery. So it's like pretty fun. It's also very colorful too. And then, so there are a lot of different kinds, so it's kind of fun. Okay, $5 so far. Add it to the list. Add it to the counter. Okay, the next one we're gonna try $3. This is called Fruit Explosion. So how do we play this? We can win up to 20,000, guys. Scratch your symbols area to reveal 14 symbols. Then scratch only symbols. Scratch your symbols to reveal 14 symbols. Scratch only the symbols in games 1 through 11, which exactly I cannot read. Okay, if your symbol match all seven symbols in a single game. Okay, what's down? So these are my symbols, and then we gotta match. So if we have all of this, then we win the prize. 如果我们都有这个，우리 이거 다 긁으면 그는 赢这个. Okay? So what we are doing is fruit explosion. So scratch off my fruits. 뭐야? 왜 안 돼? 잘 안 긁어지네. 에이. Too dull. I don't have coin. I don't have wallets with me.
Are you doing okay here?
Yeah, good. Just hang out. Okay. I'll use my lucky thumb. Alright, these are our fruits. Ew. Wait a sec. I need to reply something to a limited IRL in order to enable the backpack. Wait a second, Danisha. Okay, we're good. I'm ready. Okay. Ew. Let me remove this. We're good. I don't have any coin. Okay, so we have avocado and then coconut and then blueberry and grapes and banana, cherry, peach, pineapple and all this kind of stuff. Do we have apple? Yes, we have apple. So let's scratch off 3 apples. Okay, we have apple, 3 apples. Do we have balls? Yes, we have cherries. So we have 2 cherries, right? Shit, that's loud. Okay, and then we also have grapes too. Grapes. So we have everything. But what is this? We don't have this. 저게 뭐지? Woman mayo. We don't have this. 이게 없어. Whatever this is. And then we don't have stars. Star 없고. We have cherry. Is that onion? We have do we have lemon? We have lemon and apple and pineapple. Well, we don't have that star thing. So unfortunately, we did not win the second row. Do we have pumpkin? We don't have pumpkin. No. So we didn't win this. We didn't win this as well because we don't have this. We didn't win. We didn't win because we don't have a fucking pumpkin. We didn't win. Do we have kiwi? We don't have kiwi. We didn't win. We didn't win. Sanxiao. We didn't win at all because we don't have kiwi too. Wow. Is this a fucking joke? Yeah, no, we didn't win anything. Just made my nails nasty and we didn't win anything. So, that's alright. Still have a $5 profit. The next one. Okay, we have another one over here. Ugh. It's okay. Let's try. Scratch it all. Scratch it all. Okay, now we're gonna see what we have and what we don't have. Actually, thumb is good for scratching. Okay. No, that was the rule. That was the rule. Okay, apple. Do we have apple? No. Oh, yes, yes. Apple. Do we have strawberry? Yes, this is... Yes, this is strawberry. We have strawberry. We have cherry as well. And then, do we have watermelon? We don't have watermelon, which means we lost. And we don't have this as well. We don't have onion, so we lost. We lost. Okay, we have cherry. You guys correct me if I'm doing wrong. We have kiwi. Oh, actually, we have it. Whoa, you do. Guys, yeah. Okay, thank you. It's eggplant or something. Okay, so actually, we don't have watermelon though. So we lost this and this. But this one, we have it. Do we have pear? We do have pear. Do we have coconut? We have coconut. Do we have avocado though? No, we don't have avocado. We don't. Fuck. We don't have avocado, right? No avocado. Okay, we have these. We have this. We have kiwi. We have grape. We won! Ah, wait. Do we have peach? Yes, we won! 这个. Game 6. We won, right? 这个. We 都有. This one we won. Okay, this. All of this. Right? Okay. And then let me see the other one. We have cherry. We have peach. Do we have pineapple? No, we don't have pineapple. No. Okay. Pineapple lost. Watermelon lost. Let me see. Peach. Pineapple lost. Watermelon lost. Okay, so just this one, right? Alright, guys. So number 6. The prize is $3, chat. You know, better than nothing, right? Just 6. I think it's just 6. I don't have 7. We don't have, because we don't have pineapple. Mayo pineapple. I mean, better than nothing, right? But we're not making profit at this moment. We're not making profit. Damn it. Okay. We're rich! So far, we won total $8 out of 500. Okay. How about this time? Okay, this is scary. How about we do the big one? Okay, woman Yao. $50 one. Now this is $50 ones. So if we lose this, if we didn't win anything here, then we're losing $50. It's very yikes. It's a big bet. Please me.
Yale.
Coroneco, thank you for 60 months. I think, thank you. Here we go.
You are doing it wrong. Scratch all.
No, I was doing it alright. Okay, let's see. We can win, ladies and gentlemen, up to 250,000 a year for 20 years. 250,000 a year for 20 years, guys. Holy shit. Now, this is a bonus. So, it's simple as this. Listen to Dono. Why? What do you mean scratch all? Like, scratch just all of it? But that's not how I do it. Yeah, guys. Now the bonuses. Fruits. Wait, what? No, I'm not doing it wrong. Michi Loco, thank you for 7 months up. It says scratch only the symbols in the game 1 through 11, which exactly match your symbols. So I was doing it right. Okay. So if we have 10 times, 50 times multipliers, then you get multiplied. So if you get $1, then on the bottom, if it's 10 times, then it's a $10. If you get $10 and multiply 50, then it's $50. I mean $500. Becomes like that. And then reveal a life symbol, then you get 250,000 a year for 20 years. Bonus, reveal a cash prize amount in any bonus spot. Win that amount instantly. So let's do the bonus first, okay? If there's a cash in here instead of other like symbols, then we win that amount. $50. Here we go. Okay. This is cherry. We don't need that shit. No bonus. Give me the bonus. It's also no bonus. No bonus. 안돼. No bonus. No bonus. Fuck. That's okay. This is main game. This is important. Okay, this is actually making me a little nervous because it's a $50 bet. You know, that's massive. Oh my god. Okay. Let's get all the winning numbers.
What the is that, a crack pipe?
What's a crack pipe? Thank you for $3. 我紧张了. Very scared. Okay, here we go. Will it be minus $50 or plus? We'll see. So 25, 9, 16, 26, 55, 5, 12, 59, 13, 36. Okay. Alright. Doesn't scratch. Mm. $34. No. 제발. 잘 안 되네. 괜찮았지? $15. No. Okay. $58. No. 27, no. 3, no. Okay, the first row, we didn't win anything. Right? Okay. Second row. Please don't break your nail. I have no clue. Let me check. Let me check. You're torturing us. Why? I don't have key. I have. Okay, actually, I have coins. I found it. There you go. Yeah, 많이 주네 돈. Okay, here we go. 1, we don't have it. 4, 24. 제발 하나만 이기게 해주세요. Please let me at least win 20 from here. 45? No. 20? No. 52? No. Yikes. Yikes. 43? No. 46? No. Yikes. Oh shit, shut the fuck up. 54? No. 57? No. 38? No. Oh my god. What are we gonna do, guys? Minus $50. Holy shit. 21. Do we have it? No. 9? Oh! We have 9. Please. Oh, yeah! Guys, we got our $50 back. I got a little too excited. Yes, let's fucking go. Fucking go. Okay. 56. Okay, now I can take a little bit of relax. 11. No. 53. No. Okay. 18. No. 32.